Jamal explores the forest, his eyes sparkling with adventure. He spots a large beehive high in an old oak tree. Jamal starts to climb the tree towards the beehive. Squeaky, the squirrel, warns him, "Be careful, Jamal." Barnaby the rabbit and Flicker the fox look worried from below. Jamal pokes the hive, and angry bees fly out. Jamal's face swells from bee stings, looking funny. His friends apply cool leaves to his face to help. Jamal giggles, realizing his lesson: respect nature. The friends laugh together and continue their forest adventure.